Alright guys, what up, what up, what up? So I'm doing a little workout, and usually as I work out, I'm checking out some YouTube videos, or I may just listen to music. But this time I just happen to be doing some research, just studying and trying to better my trading skills, whether it's binary options, Forex, looking into some stocks as well. Nevertheless, I come across a guy who has a channel that's called Doyle Exchange. And what's funny is that I was watching a video earlier this morning, and his name come up in the video somehow. Nothing negative, but somebody had recommended he's somebody to whose channel that you can take a look at or whatnot. And lo and behold, hear his channel pop up as doing my workout. But the certain video that he has is called Forex Guru blows client $30,000 account in 48 hours. So Forex Guru, really, I hate hearing somebody call themselves a guru. I don't know, it just makes my fucking flesh crawl. I hope the person he's referring to really don't think they're a guru. Anyhow, so I start watching this video, and as you see on the screen here, this lady, I'm looking at her, I'm like, damn, she look familiar, right? I'm like, damn, she look familiar. Because I started with Forex back in like 2017, I believe. Really just teaching myself how to do it. I really didn't trust anybody courses. I've only bought one course since that time. All right, so and over time I've come across many channels, a lot of information. I've come across many different faces, and I'm like, damn, she looks familiar. So at one point I remember seeing this, and then the name matches everything that I remember. But then I know it was her and her husband had something going on dealing with Forex, some kind of course. And I remember them, I think they was in their room promoting it. This looks like her. I can't nail it, but Stormy Bryant. If I'm not, I could be mistaken, but I don't really think I'm mistaken, because this looks just like her. And plus she's in Forex. So I'm like, damn, she look familiar. So I click on Buddy's video, and he starts talking about what's going on and all of that. And I'll leave a link below so you guys can check it out as well. Because I don't deal with scammers at all. Because now, let me continue saying my point. I don't deal with scammers at all. If I know for a fact somebody's scamming, damn right I'm gonna say something, because you messing shit up for everybody. Point blank, period. I understand some people just suck it up and use it as a come up. Goddamn it, you messing nothing up over here for me and my family. You understand that? So as he's talking about the guy who is involved, right, who gave this lady Storm $30,000 to invest, I go to the guy's Instagram, which is this guy here, Tez Vibes, and I'm looking, I'm like, Tez. And then I don't forgot what picture it was. I'm like, I know this ain't, is this Cortez Ellison? And his name is on one of these pictures. I'm like, Cortez Ellison. Now I'm like, damn, now that name sound familiar. So now I'm thinking back, I'm like, bingo, got it. So I don't know him personally, but we were in the same industry at one point in time, which is a network marketing industry, right? And he was a part of a company that supposedly was doing pretty good at one point in time, and then the motherfucker crashed and burned. But he was real cool with a guy who was doing pretty well in the company as well. And I was a part of a different company, and I just you just watching stuff online, internet, Facebook type shit going on. And I just remember dude, and I don't remember hearing anything negative about him. And from what I've seen, I've really never heard anything negative about him. So what I've seen and known about him is pretty much true. He's a marketer. I don't know what he markets now, but what he was doing back then, he was doing pretty good with it, whatever he was marketing. And my point is, and as you can go ahead and read this yourself on his page, he pretty much says that she contacted him or whatnot to help her market a new course that she's coming out with, a Forex course, right? Hence, too, he's a marketer. That's just a skill set he's good at, I suppose. So she reached out to him and to help her market a course that she's coming out with. And obviously, he says he don't market anything that he hasn't tried himself. Understandable. You gotta respect that. A lot of people market shit and they don't even know who created it, or they don't even know anything about it. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't put no damn 30,000. I don't care how much money I had. I'd be like, hey, shorty, here 2,000. Do what you can do with it. Turn this into 5, and we'll keep it rolling. I'm gonna give him 30,000. But that's just how he's rolling. All right, he understood his risk and all that. But that's some bullshit because she lost this dude 30,000 in 48 hours. And I know this can't be no clout. This can't, unless there's some kind of fucking marketing technique that I've never come across. I don't see how the hell this can even help anybody market anything, but to lose 30 fucking thousand. All right, and you can come in and read the rest of this. So my whole point is that then she goes on to blocking. All right, so here he's showing paperwork where he invested 30,000. I think this is Hugo's way. Let me see. But yeah, and he shows some other screenshots where, look, she really lost his money because, like, you can see it here. And in one trade, like, why would she even put 15,000 gone in a blink of an eye? Down 28,000. And then, you can come read the text messages. And here's where I seen his name at. So, this is a real account. I don't think because like some of these accounts can be manipulated to show it's real, but it's actually demo. But I don't think he rolled like that. All right, I don't think Cortez rolled. I think whatever he does and shows is real. All right, but for her to lose this man's money, knowing she shouldn't be putting these type of risk up with money that she doesn't own and definitely can't guarantee that she's going to make it, right? And then when and if you read the messages here, he's patient. He's being patient here. He's motivating her like, look, all right, you lost X amount, so shoot, we got all month. Let's just take your time, recoup. You know what I'm saying? So for her to lose that much money and then to go to block the dude is ruthless. All right, here's what he shows where she blocked him. All right, and then like this is my account that I'm actually building, so you hardly ain't gonna see anything on here because it's grind and sacrifice. Y'all know y'all on my YouTube channel right now, but check this out. So here's the girl. Here's Storm. All right, and I'm telling you, like, I could have sworn I done seen her on. I think it was on Instagram before. This gots to be her, because this gots to be that lady. And even then, I had, from the shit she was showing, I had like weird vibes anyway, because I'm like, damn, I know y'all capping. I know you and your husband, whoever the dude was she was with in the bedroom promoting, saying they was gonna come out with some kind of course, yada yada yada. I know it was some bullshit. I seen it, and then I just went on away from it, and damn, bam, here she is again. If I'm not mistaken, this is her. This got to be that lady. But my whole like check this out. This like said that I would trade the election, but wow, what a close out. Watch as I close out a 69K trading day live. So you close out 69K but lose 30K in 48 hours. I'm looking at. I wouldn't be surprised if what you're watching right here, these numbers ticking, and I wouldn't be surprised if that's fake. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if this is false, if this is fake. What date is on this? This is back in November. I wouldn't even believe this. I hate to say it. I'm not being biased, none of that. But damn, Tez, bro. And like, he's like, I remember seeing, dude, this was like back in 2000, bro, 2014, 15, 13, somewhere around there. Buddy was in Wake Up Now, something called like that, Wake Up Now, or he was rolling with a dude that was in Wake Up Now. But anyway, my whole point is, if you're going to get involved with Forex, honestly, like Buddy right here, Doyle Exchange, this guy, right? You really can't trust anybody. I watched one guy for 1 year. I watched his videos for over a year, when he put them out randomly or whatnot. And I didn't buy a course from him until like a year and a half later. I watched him for like a year and a half, and I didn't buy his course until like a year and a half later, right? And it was legit, because I seen him, making money. But at the time, his course was like $250, $400, $500. And then he was running some kind of promo, and I caught it for the low. And the information in there isn't hardly seen on YouTube, I'm saying, besides him. And I don't know if the whole strategy is on there now, because I'm looking at Forex from a completely different perspective now. But yet his course and the information he teaches does work, and the market does show what he teaches. So there's really a big way you can capitalize on what the guy teaches. And I'm referring to the course that I did buy after watching him for a year and a half. But my whole point is, I've only bought one course. One. Some of you buy courses like back to back to back to back for whatever reason. You cannot trust every person that comes out with a course. If you cannot see documentation, I'm not talking about I'm not talking about just only seeing screenshots like this. I'm not talking about only seeing screenshots like this, right? Documentation where the broker sends an email with all of the information, all of the trades, amount made, amount lost, etc., etc. If they can't show you that, I wouldn't trust it. All right, stop falling for the okie doke. Stop falling for just anything, man. But yeah, damn, Tez, 30,000, and then like she got 11K followers. I think this is her. She just rebranded her page or something, man. If I ain't mistaken, I'm pretty sure this is that lady. She done slimmed down and all that shit. But moral of the story is, be careful who you trust. Like I'm not out here teaching Forex and binary options, stocks and all that. I'm teaching myself how to do it. I'm just documenting my journey and putting it out here, and whoever want to follow me as I get better and better over time can do that. I don't have a course to sell, and if I did have a course to sell, the shit is gonna be legit. I mean, you're gonna make money off of it. It's not gonna be no foo-foo shit. You know what I'm talking about? But I'm not out here doing none of that, because I really do believe in authenticity. Did I say that right? Fuck it. I believe in being real and upfront with people. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just be careful who you decide to invest your money in. God damn, 30,000, 48 hours. And Buddy's so cool, seems so cool about the shit. I'll be on her ass. Facts. I'll be on her ass like 30K. And I guarantee you there was there paperwork involved. And she just 30K. And I know he had to have access to platform so he can log in himself to actually see. So I'm thinking, I know she couldn't have just somehow just took the 30K. Oh, she wasn't just sending anybody screenshots or shit. Which not, because she had to have a login. I'm just, my mind just thinking like different possibilities of like, damn, just, and all she's saying is she's sorry. But yet on your page you say you made 60K. See, that's how I know she on some bullshit. I hate to sound biased, but it is what it is. Because you lose 30K in 48 hours, in 2 days. But yet on your page you got a video showing where you close out 69K. Nah, pimping. Nah, G. But nevertheless, y'all, just watch out for shorty. Let me show y'all. This is her page. I don't give a damn. Y'all can show this video. I don't give a damn. She ain't, what could she do? You know, I'm not downing her character. I'm just telling y'all to watch out. I'm just saying this shit ain't making sense. But just keep a lookout, y'all. Other than that, damn, Tez. Like, this is my page. Y'all can check out my YouTube at Grind and Sacrifice. I haven't really done much with my IG yet, but I am about to. Just yeah, you know, there's really no rush. So go ahead and give a brother a follow. Go on and support your man real quick. Go on and support your nephew. Support your big brother. Support your little brother. Whatever the case is. Support your uncle. You feel me? Go on and support me. But yeah, other links like to the video to that Doyle put out will be in the description. Ted's IG will be in the description. And y'all can get Storm's IG information off this video. I'm pretty sure eventually she's probably gonna change her name, and if she continuously get hit up about this shit, but she'll change her IG name and she continuously get hit up about it. But nevertheless, y'all, Grind and Sacrifice, we out.